Hi, I'm Matt from Smart and Secure, and today we're going to be looking at the DB2 wireless doorbell from EZVIZ. To start things off, we're going to have a look at what you get inside the box. So let's start off with the DB2 doorbell itself. Now this is the doorbell you'd be installing on the front of your home. Nice solid button at the bottom, and it has 176 degrees of view from your door. Moving on to the chime. Now the chime goes in your home, plug it into any of your sockets. It has space on the side for a memory card, which is really handy as this is what we'll be doing your recording. So if anyone takes the doorbell from the front of your home, you've still got all the footage safe and secure inside. Now looking in the accessories section of the box, we've got a series of quick start guides. Now with the quick start guides, you could get this set up in as little as 4 minutes. And then we move on in the little accessories pack. Ooh, let's see what we've got. We've got a series of fixings for installation. We've got some connectors if you were connecting your old chime to the new system. We've got a charging cable for the unit, and we've got a screwdriver just in case you need one. So at the bottom of the accessories side, we have the mounts. Now you've got angled mounts here. So if you want to put it at the side looking across your door, this is the mount you want to use. And there's a series of other mounts to account for any surface you might be trying to attach it to. And at the bottom of the accessories box, we have the sticky pads. Now these are there to help you with installation, or if you're in a rental or just don't want to drill holes in your door, you can use the sticky pads to get them attached. With the DB2 doorbell from EZVIZ, you get 2K recording. Now, true 2K is 2048 by 1080, but the 2K label gets bandied around with a lot of different resolutions. So we're going to set this up, get some footage to show you exactly what you're getting and the quality you should be expecting from the DB2. Now we've set the DB2 up to show you what the recording quality will be like from the camera. Now let's move over to the camera to show you that. Now, this is the kind of quality you'll be looking to get from your DB2. One thing just to point out at the start there is a lot of flickering, but that's more to do with the studio lights we've got in today for recording than it does with the DB2. But you won't have this problem on your front doorstep. I mean, unless you've got studio lights pointing at your front door all the time, you'll be fine. Now, you can see behind me, we've got the bright lights that we're using to record today. So this is what it would be in quite a bright situation. Now, because the doorbell is truly wireless, it allows me to move across to our cinema room. As you can see in this point of the video, I am moving around quite a lot, but the microphone is still catching everything that I'm saying. Now, it isn't as good as the microphone that we're using today in store, but we do have to remember that this is just a doorbell. And for talking to the delivery driver, this microphone is going to do everything you need it to do. To show you what it's like in lower light conditions. Now, in the moment that I enter the cinema room in this shot, you should see that the camera starts to adjust its sensitivity and white balance to account for the change in lighting conditions. Now, this will be running all the time while you have your DB2 set up, and this is to ensure that you've always got the best picture quality that you can get from the doorbell. With 176 degree field of view, the DB2 will allow you to capture up to 98% of the area in front of the install. As the DB2 is a truly wireless doorbell, it comes with a 5000 mAh battery installed inside it. It's got a quick release, so when it does come to charging, it's very easy, and you should only have to do this around every 4 months. Now, with it being quick release, it means there is a chance that someone could steal the doorbell. But the great thing with the EZVIZ DB2, your memory card is going in the chime, which will be inside your home. So if someone does steal your doorbell, you'll still have the footage inside. We've come to expect with video doorbells two-way communication, and the EZVIZ is no different. But one thing that stands out with the EZVIZ is its voice changing options. So if you're unsure with the person who is there at your door and don't want them to know what you sound like, you can just select the voice change option. The EZVIZ has a few neat recording features. It has privacy zones that you can set up in the app so you don't record your neighbour's front garden. It also has AI human detection, so not every cat going past is going to set it off, and it should work with faces that are approaching your door. As mentioned earlier in the video, the chime is where you house your SD card, and that SD card can be up to 256 gigs. EZVIZ has used their H.265 video compression technology to mean that 256 gigs goes a lot further. That being said, it also means you don't need a subscription, and EZVIZ don't require one either. For an extra layer of protection, you can opt into EZVIZ's Cloud Play service, which allows you to have unlimited storage space for all your recordings. And that's it for our quick look at the DB2 video doorbell from EZVIZ. For more information, click on the link in the description or head down to our showroom where you can get more information from any of our technology experts. Don't forget to like the video and follow us to stay up to date with everything we're getting up to in the Smart and Secure Centre. And if you've got a question, drop it in the comments.